Imagine for a moment you're driving your car. Everything's fine, the sun's shining, and the sky's blue. Nothing could be nicer. When suddenly you start to slow down. You apply some pressure to the gas, but nothing happens, and the engine just stops, and you come to a halt by the side of the road. A little confused, you check everything, until the horrible truth dawns on you, you've run out of gas. You check the fuel gauge, and sure enough, it reads empty. Okay, a simple analogy perhaps, but one which delivers a powerful message. In our daily lives, we rely on all sorts of monitors and gauges to give us information, from heart monitors to fuel gauges and everything in between. But when you actually stop and think about it, all of these instruments have been designed with one single objective in mind: to give us information to help us make a decision. Cardiologists make life or death decisions using a heart monitor. It helps them to see inside our bodies, to get a picture if you like, so they can decide what to do next. For pilots, it's the altimeter, displaying the height above the ground. And for us, when we're driving our car, it's the fuel gauge, which tells us how much gas we have in the tank. Whilst all very different, the result is the same. All these instruments give clear visual information which otherwise would be difficult or impossible to obtain in any other way. And for us, as traders, we need a similar instrument. We need an instrument to give us the same clear view of the market in real time. After all, drawing a trend line based on past price action is easy, but what's the point? By then, the trend is over, and worse still, the chances are you're getting in just when the trend is coming to an end, the worst possible time. So what's the answer? Well, just like our heart monitor, we need to see inside the market, to actually see when each new trend is starting or ending, not historically, but in real time. We need our own instrument panel, our own trading dials, our own trading panel. And this is where the trend monitor steps in. It monitors the trend and then displays this visually and clearly on your chart. And in many ways you can think of it as measuring the heartbeat of the market. Just like the heart monitor, our trend monitor checks the pulse of the market second by second and then alerts you to each change in trend. After all, there are only three things you need to know about a trend: when one's starting, ending, or pausing. All three conditions are displayed on the trend monitor, simply and clearly, allowing you to see where each trend is on its journey in real time. As each new trend starts, the trend monitor changes colour: bright blue for an uptrend, bright red for a downtrend, and dark red or blue when in transition, giving you an instant and visual picture of every market move, allowing you to get in, stay in, and then get out with complete confidence, taking the maximum profit from each and every trend. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and grab your own trend monitor now and start to see the heartbeat of the market today.